Alright, I finally got all 4 of these working. They all work perfect. They're even linked, but I'm not going to leave all 4 of them linked because it looks ridiculous having 2 different sets of games. These ones are the dedicated machines here with the original CRT monitors. They definitely have a better look. I got these plastic tops. The question is, though, which one do we want to put in the arcade? Do you guys like the all dedicated ones, original monitors? They're in pretty good shape. Or these kitted ones. I just finished these. We put big Dell 32-inch monitors in them, like actual gaming monitors. 2 new marquees. Originally these were Cruisin' World cabinets, but they were actually done right with a kit to make them appear as they're supposed to be. So yeah, everything says Drift. So, which ones do you guys like better? The non-dedicated over here with the bigger monitors? Or the original dedicated with the 4x3 CRTs? That's kind of a good side-by-side comparison there. Look at a gameplay video here. Let's see, yeah, even though 2 of them are kitted, I got them to where they all still linked. Anyway. I got it on free play so you can max them out. So again, it's kind of what they look like. The bigger ones over here, but they're not dedicated. Like I said, originally these were Cruisin' Worlds. These are the dedicated machines, but they just have smaller CRT monitors. The image is definitely more crisp and clean on these gaming monitors. And here's where you can really tell the difference. Let's see her.
Catch up!
This looks fine, but anyway, so let me know what you think.